human development begins at a microscopic level, long before birth. From the fusion of a single cell to the intricate systems that sustain life, the prenatal stage sets the foundation for a lifetime of growth. Let's delve into this critical period and uncover how genetics and the environment work together to shape the earliest stages of life. The story of human development begins with conception, the moment when the female ovum and male sperm fuse to form a zygote. This single cell contains all the genetic material needed to create a unique individual. From the moment of conception, the zygote undergoes rapid cell division in a process called proliferation. Within days, the zygote transforms into a multicellular structure known as the morula and then the blastocyst, which eventually implants into the uterine wall to begin the embryonic stage. The prenatal stage can be divided into three distinct phases: the germinal, embryonic, and fetal stages. During the germinal stage, which spans the first 2 weeks after conception, the blastocyst forms and implants into the uterine lining. Once implantation is successful, the embryonic stage begins, lasting from the 3rd to the 8th week. This is when the foundations for all major organ systems are laid, including the heart, brain, and spinal cord. By the 9th week, the fetal stage begins. This period is marked by growth and refinement of the structures formed earlier. The fetus develops functional organ systems, distinct facial features, and even begins to move. Supporting this intricate process is a unique organ, the placenta. Forming alongside the embryo, the placenta plays a vital role in fetal development by acting as a lifeline between mother and baby. The placenta transfers essential nutrients and oxygen from the mother's blood to the fetus while removing waste products like carbon dioxide. Additionally, it functions as a selective barrier, protecting the fetus from harmful substances in the maternal bloodstream. However, some substances can cross this barrier. For instance, alcohol easily passes through the placenta and can interfere with the fetus's neurological development. Substances that harm fetal development are called teratogens. Alcohol is one of the most well-known teratogens, and its effects can be devastating. Fetal alcohol spectrum disorders, FASD, encompass a range of conditions caused by prenatal alcohol exposure. FASD can lead to cognitive impairments, behavioral challenges, and physical abnormalities, emphasizing the importance of maternal health during pregnancy. The prenatal environment doesn't just shape the fetus physically, it also influences cognitive and social development. Factors like maternal nutrition, stress levels, and exposure to toxins can have lasting effects on the individual's health and well-being. For example, maternal stress during pregnancy can lead to elevated levels of cortisol, which may affect fetal brain development and increase the risk of anxiety or depression later in life. The prenatal stage lays the groundwork for all future development. This period establishes the basic framework for physical growth, cognitive abilities, and social behaviors. For instance, neural connections formed in utero provide the basis for future learning and memory. Similarly, the physical health of the fetus impacts later milestones, such as motor skill development and immune system function. It's crucial to remember that what happens during the prenatal stage doesn't stay in the womb. Research shows that prenatal factors can influence an individual's health and development well into adulthood. For example, low birth weight has been linked to an increased risk of chronic conditions like diabetes and cardiovascular disease later in life. This highlights the importance of ensuring a healthy prenatal environment for optimal outcomes. To recap, human development begins at conception with the formation of a zygote, which carries the complete genetic blueprint for life. The prenatal stage is divided into three phases: germinal, embryonic, and fetal. During this time, the placenta plays a critical role in supporting the fetus by providing nutrients, removing waste, and protecting against harmful substances. However, teratogens like alcohol can cross the placental barrier and have lasting effects on development, emphasizing the importance of maternal health and lifestyle choices. Understanding the prenatal stage gives us valuable insights into how life begins and how the earliest experiences shape us. By nurturing a healthy start, we can ensure the best possible outcomes for future generations. Thank you for joining us to explore the beginning of the journey that is human development. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected with King of the Curve.